Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Cash App to Apple Pay. This will allow you to use your Cash App balance to pay for things through Apple Pay on your phone. So, you'd just scan your phone and it would use your Cash App balance. First, we need to go to the Cash Card screen. If you don't have a Cash Card yet, you'll need to order one. It should be free the first time. Once you order the Cash Card, they'll send you a physical card in the mail. But you don't need to use this physical card for Apple Pay. You just need to activate it. Once it's activated, you can go to Add Card to Apple Pay using the top button you see here. Then, go through the process and it'll connect your card to Apple Pay. Once your Cash Card is added to Apple Pay, remember that your PIN will be the same as the one you use in the Cash App. Tap Done, and now the card is in your Apple Pay wallet. This card and the one in the Cash App are the same, so you'll want to make sure your card is unlocked to spend your balance. Now, if you have $142 in your Cash App balance, for example, you can use that to pay for something at a store, restaurant, or anywhere that accepts Apple Pay. Just double-tap the button on the side of your iPhone, select your Cash App card, and you'll be able to pay. This will use your Cash App balance, so you don't actually need to transfer money over to Apple Pay. You just need to activate the card, add it to Apple Pay, and you're good to go. You can start using Apple Pay with your Cash App balance. By the way, if you use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.